Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting diary. My name is Latoya, your crafting queen. If this is your first time to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive more videos when I upload. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I sublimated onto a 5x7 canvas. So to get started, you're going to need your canvas. I got these from Walmart, but you can get them from like the Dollar Tree. Also some lamination paper. I've been had this laying around the house. And you're going to need your image and a heat press. So let's get started. Alright, so right here I'm just going to place the laminated sheet right on top of the canvas, shiny side up so the matte part can stick to the canvas, and you're going to heat press for 10 seconds for 15 seconds at 400 degrees. Now once you do that, you're going to just trim around the edges here. I printed out my image, and what you want to do is just lay it flat down on a flat surface and place the laminated part on your canvas right on top of your image. You also want to use some type of heat transfer tape to kind of tape it down, because once you press it and lift it up, sometimes it makes like a shadow, meaning it doesn't get the whole image or press down all the way. I guess that's what you want to say. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And remember, if this video is helpful, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Alright, so now that we have the heat tape to secure it so it won't leave a shadow to it, what you want to do now is take it to your heat press and flip it. So as you can see, the sublimation paper is facing to you. I'm going to press it for 400 degrees at 30 seconds. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one. And thanks for watching.